On Thursday, Texas officials officially recommended a gubernatorial pardon for Daniel Perry, a U.S. Army sergeant convicted of murder after driving his car into a crowd of Black Lives Matter protesters and fatally shooting one of them. In 2020, Perry ran a red light in Austin, driving into a crowd of Black Lives Matter protesters. Amid the chaos he caused, he shot and killed Garrett Foster, who was carrying an AK-47 rifle. Perry claimed that Foster raised the rifle at him before he pulled his .357 revolver and shot Foster 5 times. Not long before this incident, Perry had posted on social media about potentially killing a few people on my way to work due to the protests near his apartment complex. Given this context, the Texas Board of Pardons and Paroles unanimously recommended a full pardon for Perry. The members of the Board of Pardons and Paroles delved into the intricacies of Perry's case. The investigative efforts encompassed a meticulous review of pertinent documents, from police reports to court records, witness statements, and interviews with individuals linked to the case, the board stated. Their comprehensive review led to recommending not only a full pardon for Perry, but also a restoration of firearm rights for him, despite the evidence suggesting premeditation. A court filing revealed that Perry fantasized about shooting protesters while wearing a MAGA hat and hunting Muslims in Europe for money. On May 30th, 2020, Perry wrote on Facebook, "I am imagining standing on a rooftop with a megaphone and a MAGA hat, saying looters will be shot, leave the area immediately, and then count down to 0, or when they start breaking down the front door, just opening up like it is open season." He also sent a text reading, "Too bad we can't get paid for hunting Muslims in Europe." Perry's phone contained an image with the phrase, "It's okay to be white," a meme about running people over, and a text where he claimed to have killed a homeless man by accident. Perry was convicted of murder last year. However, less than 24 hours after the guilty verdict, Texas Governor Greg Abbott promised to use his gubernatorial power to pardon Perry. Influenced by conservative BLM critics, such as Tucker Carlson and Kyle Rittenhouse, Texas has one of the strongest stand-your-ground laws of self-defense that cannot be nullified by a jury or progressive district attorney. Abbott wrote on X, formerly Twitter, "I will work as swiftly as Texas law allows regarding the pardon of Sergeant Perry." Abbott pledged to approve the board's pardon recommendation as soon as it hits my desk. It's hardly surprising that Abbott will follow through on his promise to pardon Perry, especially in a state where the Attorney General is attempting to void the overturned conviction of Crystal Mason, a Black woman imprisoned for illegally voting. Abbott did not use his powers similarly in Mason's case. This is America.